Hey guys, it's Mathematics YT. Today we are trying to solve another geometric problem, and here is the problem. I have this large pentagon, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, right. I have this diagram shows a huge irregular pentagon, and they have a points level. And yeah, the question: AFDE is a trapezium. AFDE is a trapezium, and BCDF is a parallelogram. BCDF is a parallelogram. And just in case you don't know, this is actually a inclined straight line, not a horizontal straight line. And the area of the whole diagram is 330 centimeters square. And the question required is find the length of DE. And as always, if you guys interested in this question, pause a video and then try it for yourself. Okay, before we start solving this thing out, I just want to let you guys know that this question is actually come from a friend of mine, and he said that he doesn't know how to solve, so I'm going to make a video and show him how to solve this, and also show you guys how to solve it. Now, the biggest problem in here is planning the strategy, because it took me 5 or 10 minutes to plan and think. And here is the strategy that I can get. Now I will let length of DE equal to X, and I have the length of DE is X, and I will let here become Y. When I think of that, I solve it, and coincidentally it can be solved. Now here's the first equation. The first equation I can do is X plus Y is equal to 20. So I have the first equation, X plus Y is equal to 20. And the second equation is on this sentence. The area of the whole diagram is 330 centimeter square, which means that the whole area of here is the 330 centimeter square, and the length of phi can be the height of the parallelogram, and the length of X, it can be the height of the trapezium. And the length of, since BCDF is a parallelogram, I can conclude that the length of here also 13, and here is equal to 5 centimeter. And we have found the height of the triangle, and let's express the area in terms of X and Y. So the second equation I can get is, now let's say I want to find the radius of the triangle. So 1 over 2 times 5 times 20 plus the area of the parallelogram 13y plus the area of the trapezium plus 1 over 2 times X. This is X, this is multiplied actually like this, just to make you guys differentiate where is times, where is X. And the length of the sum of the length of here, so I have to multiply 13 plus 18, and this whole diagram, the area is 330 centimeters square, and I have to solve this thing. So 150 plus 13y, then 13 plus 18, 31. 31 cannot divide by 2, so I will just let plus 31 over 2 multiplied by x, so I will have x is equal to 330. And I want to tidy up the equation, so I minus, so 13y plus 31 over 2 x is equal to 330 minus 50, that's 280. And then I will tidy the coefficient of x right here, so I will joining become one term, so this multiplied by 2, then we get 26y plus 31x over 2, and it is equal to 280, and 31x plus 26y is equal to 560. And this is the first equation, and this is the second equation. And then when we have these two information, it is a simultaneous linear equation which you can use either graphical substitution or elimination method. But for me to fast to solve this thing up, I will use elimination method. But I also need to consider that the question required is they want you to find the length of DE, which is the value of x. So if you want to find the value of x, you need to eliminate the variable y. And if you guys didn't watch my previous video about what can the substitution and elimination method really do, the properties of these two methods, I will put the link down below in the description, so you can see what kind of property that I can found. So here is the strategy. If you want to find the value of x, you have to eliminate the variable y, as I talked in the previous video. If you want to find the value of a variable, you have to substitute or eliminate the opposite variable, so it will reduce become one term, and which is the solvable linear equation in one variable. So let's do it. So I will have 31x plus 26y is equal to 560, and then the second equation I have x plus y, I will make some space right here, is equal to 20. And as I said, I want to eliminate the variable y, so I don't need to multiply by here. I just multiply this equation by negative 26. Then 31x plus 26y is equal to 560. Still the same. And negative 26x minus 26y is equal to negative 26 times 20, that's negative 520. And these two cancel out. What are remaining is 31x minus 26x, so 5x is equal to 40, because 560 divided by 520. And then here is the 5x is equal to 40. Then I can find the value of x. X is equal to 40 over 5, so x is equal to 8. And when you find the value of x, then you can conclude that the length of DE. So I would like the answer is the length of DE is 8 cm, and we are done. Yes, we are done the question. And if the question asks to find the length of height of the parallelogram BCTF, then you just substitute the value of x to this equation, then you find the value of y, then you can find the height of the parallelogram BCDE. And as always, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video.